In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Airbnb listing, giving your potential guests a more vibrant and engaging view of your place. Let's dive in to make your listing stand out even more. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.airbnb.com. Once there, you'll need to log in to your account. If you haven't already created an account, make sure to do so by clicking on the sign up button and following the on-screen instructions. But for those who already have an account, simply click on the log in button typically found at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials and get ready to start editing your listing. Once you're logged in, find your way to your host account. This can usually be accessed by clicking on your profile picture or icon, which will give you a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Host to get into the hosting dashboard. In the Host dashboard, you'll see several options. Look for the Manage Listings or simply Listings tab. This is where all your current listings are displayed. If you have multiple properties listed, you'll see them all here. Select the listing to which you want to add a video. Click on it, and this will lead you to the details page of the specific listing. Now, we're going to focus on enhancing your listing details. Upon opening your chosen listing, locate the section labeled Description. This is where you can update the written description of your property. But more importantly, it's also where your video will come into play. You'll notice an area in the description section where you can add text and other media. Here's the trick. Having your video ready on a platform such as YouTube or Vimeo is essential. Make sure your video is public or unlisted. Private videos won't be accessible to viewers without permission. Once your video is uploaded to your chosen platform, copy the URL link. Go back to the description section on Airbnb and paste the link directly into the text box. It's a simple copy and paste job, but make sure that the link is correct and leads to the video intended for your listing. We're nearing the finish line. After pasting your video link, before you wrap up everything, it's always a good idea to give everything one last check to ensure accuracy and that the video appears as expected. This way, any potential issues can be addressed before going live. Finally, after confirming everything looks just right, don't forget the most crucial step. Click the Save button. This action will update your listing with the new video link, making it visible to potential guests browsing through Airbnb. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to adding a video to your Airbnb listing. This small enhancement will undoubtedly provide guests an insightful preview, potentially increasing their interest and bookings. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Airbnb hosting journey.